Nobody likes to wait too long for fresh out of the oven pizza, but cutting through bubbling melted cheese, molten hot sauce and just baked dough can be quite the complicated task. Unfortunately, far too many pizza cutters on the market fail to swiftly slice without sacrificing melted mozzarella and beloved toppings along the way, dragging them under their dull blades and into a messy pile of what was once pizza perfection. In this case, simply wielding the right tool, a sharp pizza cutter designed with cooks in mind, can carry that perfect pie across the finish line by making clean-cut uniform slices that are ready to serve. We've rounded up the 5 best pizza wheel cutters on the market, featuring the 2 most popular styles, traditional wheels and the ever-so-effective rocker blade, both of which boast characteristics that yield sliced pizza at its finest.
Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel.
In this video, I recommend 5 best pizza cutter wheel on Amazon 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Gorilla Grip brand. Cut through pizza with ease, super sharp blade makes slicing through any pizza a breeze. Pizza wheel design presses as you slice to help keep toppings together for a clean cut, unlike messy and difficult to maneuver knives. Pizza wheel measures 3.5 by 9 inches, making it a larger, more durable option that is easy to grip. Featuring a smooth rolling blade with a finger blade for added protection, the design makes slicing a cinch. Soft touch rubber handle and angled wheel provide the optimal ergonomic grip for comfortable and easy use. A built-in finger guards help to provide stability and protect your hands as you slice. Features durable stainless steel construction, blade is rust resistant and will not bend or break, dishwasher safe for an easy clean. You'll be surprised how versatile this pizza cutter is, perfect for more than just pizza, easily chop salads, slice through quesadillas, hand-cut pasta, cut perfect brownies, slice through layered food like lasagna, and more. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the Caperci brand. The pizza wheel is crafted from high-quality stainless steel that will stay sharp and resist rust. The pizza wheel cutter is very smooth to use and won't shake. The Good Grips non-slip handle fits perfectly your hand and the built-in finger guard protects your hands from the wheel's cutting edge and the heat. The slanted extension handles are equipped with a 3 1/3 inch pizza wheel, easy to cut out the perfect pizza, waffles, pies, flatbreads and dough biscuits. No more worries about how to clean stuck food from your pizza cutter. You can wash it with water and dry thoroughly. Get your pizza service on a roll with this super efficient slicing tool. Its sharp rotary blade cuts quickly through even the hardiest fresh-baked pizzas. The solid handle provides great leverage, so cutting is easy and comfortable. Number 3 in our top is from the SCHVUBENR brand. This pizza wheel has been polished layer by layer and is extremely sharp, making cutting more labor-saving. Pizza cutter wheel adopts riveting process which makes it can achieve more than 1,000 times cutting, super durable. This pizza cutter is made of stainless steel and has excellent rust resistance. The pizza slicer wheels is as smooth as a mirror will not jam the pizza topping. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. The handle is made with non-slip ABS padded and the ergonomic design aims to provide you with max comfort. The finger protector adds more security. Easily cut out the perfect pizza, waffles, pies, waffles and dough biscuits. Hook hole at the tail for easy storage in the kitchen. Large diameter cutting wheels are usually suitable for quickly processing pizzas of various thicknesses, traditional handmade pizzas. The sharp steel blade keeps the pizza toppings intact, thus gaining super compliments from family and friends. Number 2 in our top is from the SCHVUBENR brand. SCHVUBENR Kitchen designed this pizza cutter with craftsmanship. This product adopts one-piece riveting process which makes it can achieve more than 1,000 times cutting, super durable. This pizza cutter is made entirely of high-quality stainless steel and features a super sharp roller that can cut through large or small crust. Food will not be stuck around the pizza wheel. Hand wash your pizza wheel water or place it in the dishwasher. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. The sharp stainless cutter cuts and slices easily through any crust, large or small, such as pie, cheese, cake, waffles, dough biscuits, and your delicious pizza. It is an useful and professional kitchen tool. The ergonomic non-slip handle fits perfectly. Your hand and finger protective guard will provide you with safety, stability. Cut your delicious homemade pizza with ease and comfort. The number 1 product is part of the Kitchy brand. This pizza cutter will leave you shocked with how easy it is to get a nice, clean cut through your pizza. With its ergonomic handle and flawless finish, you won't have to cut back and forth, and you get to keep your toppings where they belong on your pizza. Why waste money on bulky pizza rockers that don't even fit in your kitchen cabinet when you can simply get this unique design that easily fits in your hand and also in your cutlery drawer? This pizza knife comes with a blade guard to keep your cutter securely stored away when you're not using it. You can take it apart in 3 simple steps and put it in the dishwasher for thorough cleaning. Please be careful when handling the steel blade, it is sharp. Which pizza cutter wheel would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.